3 different ways on how to upload a listing onto your Amazon seller account. So if you're selling on Amazon or you're looking to get started on selling on Amazon, well, I recommend you watch this video until the end. Are you guys ready? Let's go. Hi guys, welcome to yet another amazing video where we show you step by step on how to sell on Amazon. And guess what? This information is completely for free. All right, guys, we spend a lot of time on creating this content for you. So all I ask in return is to simply give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and to enter our contest where we give out $100 directly to your PayPal. All you have to do is comment the word Amazon FBA. So if you subscribe to the channel and you like the video, you commented the word Amazon FBA, and we pick you as a winner, we'll send you $100 directly to your PayPal. All right, guys, in this video, we're going to show you 3 different ways on how you can upload a listing onto your Amazon seller account. All right, very, very important. We're going to show you a step-by-step process on how to create a listing on Amazon. All right, this video is actually being shot by Ronnie. Ronnie is one of our coaches inside the AMZ Academy. What is the AMZ Academy? Well, it's our one-on-one Amazon FBA coaching program. Note this, we work with you one-on-one. It is not a digital course, what you see online. We actually work with you one-on-one and we show you how to launch your first product on Amazon. I'm a true believer on working with someone one-on-one, looking over the shoulder, especially when they're first launching their first product on Amazon. Amazon has a lot of moving parts. Okay, it's not an easy business. I want to make sure I repeat that, right? It takes work. So I always recommend to have someone looking over your shoulder, someone that's already done it. All right, my team and I launch over 300 products every month. So we kind of know what we're doing when it comes to selling everyday products on Amazon. All right, guys. So if you are interested on joining our coaching program, I highly recommend that you click the link on the description of this video. That link is going to take you to a completely free training video that'll show you in detail just how everything works. After you watch the video, you're gonna be able to book a completely free Zoom call with one of my coaches. In that call, we're gonna answer any questions that you may have with the business. We'll talk about your goals with the business, and we'll talk about how my team and I will help you one-on-one. Yes, one-on-one over Zoom meetings. All right, guys, let's get started.
All right, everyone. Hey, it's Ronnie again over here with the AMZ Academy, and we have another great video for you this week. You guys, in this week's video, we're going to be going over the different types of listings that you can actually upload to the Amazon website. The reason this is so beneficial for you as a seller to know is because it's going to allow you to make the decisions and choices as you grow your brand and your business and really make your experience enjoyable while selling on Amazon. So let's get into it. All right, guys. So what I did is I, of course, went ahead and pulled up 3 different searches on Amazon. So we can show you exactly the different types of listings that you can potentially upload to the website. Okay, let's start with this search right here, t-shirt ruler. So as you know, there's 2 different views on Amazon. We have the customer's perspective, and then we also have the Amazon seller perspective. Let's go over the customer's perspective. A customer coming to Amazon is just going to scroll through and they're just going to look at all the different listings being advertised. The first thing a customer is going to be looking at, of course, is the images. They're going to see which one captures their attention and maybe which one they want to purchase. A seller's perspective coming to Amazon, of course, is what are we going to sell? Which t-shirt ruler are we going to sell? Another thing that we can do as sellers and having the understanding behind it is we can come and we can click different types of listings. So this week I'm going to come here and I am just going to click this guy and we're going to click this listing right here. You guys, this listing is a perfect example of what we call a brand approved seller. A brand approved seller on Amazon is basically going to be able to list their brand name on the listing like this. So as you can see, it says brand and then it says the store name. What this seller did is he went through a different series of events to get it approved, and it's something that we definitely go over in the Academy. Coming over here to this tab, This tab, again, is the same search, but we're going to show you a different way you can upload a listing. Now, on this particular tab, we're going to be talking about what we call brand registered sellers. A brand registered seller has different privileges in advertising and seller central rights than someone that just has an everyday seller account. Some of the benefits of being a brand registered seller are when you advertise PPC, you can come here and you can actually advertise like this. This is what we call a PPC banner. The reason a PPC banner is so impactful for a seller is because it's actually taking up visual space and a lot more real estate on the Amazon, page. Another way a brand registered seller can take up space is like this. This is what we call EBC content. Now, EBC content is enhanced brand content. Again, a brand registered seller is able to upload videos, different types of sponsorship, ads on Amazon, and really expand their brand. Let's click his listing right here. Now, a brand registered seller, his actual brand right here is going to be different. So as you can see, his says visit the Urbani store. So unlike our brand approved seller over here where it says brand and then the store name, the biggest differences between the both of these guys is when we click the brand registered seller's storefront, we're going to be brought to an actual page that shows every item that they potentially sell. Now, this particular seller is actually specializing in just t-shirt rulers, but as you can see, his storefront is really nice. So it's showing you like different types of videos and of course, different graphics on the actual product itself. Again, referring back to EBC content. Now right here, had the seller been selling like multiple things, like maybe he's selling t-shirt rulers, eucalyptus vines, water bottles, sunglasses, for example, all of that content, all of those products would be able to be listed right here under the brand because he's brand registered on Amazon. Again, you have those different types of content that are able to be linked, and it just makes a more visual, appealing type of graphics and images to the customer and possible more exposure when, trying to sell all of your different products. Showing you what the brand approval looks like, okay? If I click this right here, it's pretty much just going to bring me to a generic search on Amazon showing me a bunch of different things that are being sold. Now, the third and the final way that you could potentially upload a listing to Amazon, guys, is called generic. A generic search pretty much, guys, means that on the actual brand right here, when you see the brand name, it just says generic. And then when you click that, it's really going to bring you to a generic search. It's very similar to brand approval, this guy over here. And again, it's just showing you a bunch of different items for sale on Amazon. You guys, these are just some of the things that we cover inside the Academy, among many other things. Of course, we're going to go way more into depth about it. We really hope you enjoy this type of content, and we can't wait to see you on the next video.
Did you guys like that? I know you did. So if you're really serious about starting an Amazon business, then I highly recommend that you watch the video in the description. Make sure that you watch it and pay a lot of attention, right? That video is gonna show you in detail how the business works and what our personal approach to launching products on Amazon is. After you watch the video, you are going to be able to apply to our coaching program and book a call with my team. In that call, we'll answer any questions that you have, and we'll talk about your goals with the business and how my team and I will personally help you. If you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and to enter our contest where we send out $100 directly to your PayPal, all you have to do is comment the word Amazon FBA. All right, we'll see you guys on the next.